this is Nayalla. Thank you so much for joining me again today. So today I'm going to share with you a very quick EFT tapping round for a cough. I've picked up energetically that there is a lot of throat area activation going on right now. So when we are getting to that place where we're starting to feel a little bit more comfortable and a little bit more comfortable expressing ourselves verbally and vocally, then there may be a little periods of time really where we are coughing, and that is just where it's clearing out. This can be used for other coughs as well. If you have got perhaps an irritating dry cough, again, it could be stress related, or it could be just that you are clearing energy from the throat so that you can express yourself more freely. Then this is a great one for you to do. So if you're not familiar with this technique that I'm about to share, what we're going to do is state an intention on the cry chop point. State an intention, state the intention. We're going to go to the top of the head and we're going to tap there lightly and say an affirmation 3 times. Once on the chest, then we're going to call in all of that energy that we have cultivated, put our hands on our heart, close our eyes and say in our mind the affirmation 1 more time. And this is the part that gets really exciting for me, is because you will more than likely have a response to the energy shifting. So you may yawn, which is something I do. You may cough, interestingly enough, you cough to clear your throat. You may hiccup or burp, or there may be sensations around the throat, there may be sensations in the body, there may be tingling. Whatever is happening is exactly right for you, and it's a clear indication that there is things shifting to help you then release the cough and get on with your day cough free. So if you would like to take part in this, it's very important that we are fully hydrated before doing any energy work or any EFT. So if you haven't got a drink yet, please pause this video and go and get yourself a nice glass of water. I'm just going to take a sip of water myself. So what you may want to do as well is mark on a scale of 0 to 10 how extreme that coughing is for you right now. Obviously if you're coughing all the time and you're not even able to have a conversation with somebody, or it is getting very annoying, it's going to be right up there at 10. So we really want to bring that down as far as we possibly can to a 0 would be great. So you may want to stick with this until the coughing has cleared, or it may just shift straight away. This, like I said, this is a really powerful round that we're going to do. So, are you ready? Starting on the karate chop point. Today, I allow myself to be both seen and heard. In this and every now moment. Today, I allow myself to be both seen and heard. In this and every now moment. Today, I allow myself to be both seen and heard. In this and every now moment. Okay, top of the head. I am noticed and appreciated in the most positive ways. I am loved in this and every now moment. I am noticed and appreciated in the most positive ways. I am loved in this and every now moment. I am noticed and appreciated in the most positive ways. I am loved in this and every now moment. In the chest. I am noticed and appreciated in the most positive ways. I am loved in this and every now moment. Hands on your heart and close your eyes. Just allow the body to do what it needs to do. I'm going to just say that affirmation again one more time in your mind. I am noticed and appreciated in the most positive ways. I am loved in this and every now moment. Just slowly open your eyes. You want to shake the body off a little bit. So just gauge now where that cough is on your scale. May have completely gone. Maybe just still a little bit of something in the throat. In that case, just go back and do this again. So I hope that has helped you. I'm going to leave that with you today. I am sending you so much love. I am wishing you a truly amazing day, whatever you decide to do. And I hope to see you again very, very soon. Goodbye for now.